Did you know how to prepare notes? If you don't know, then don't worry. I am Magar from International School. So today we are going to learn about how to prepare notes. This is required for all classes. So first of all, start this our lecture. So what is meaning of notes? First of all, what are notes? Notes are those which you prepare in your schools and tuition for using and studying the exam time. But what happens? Some students don't know how to prepare notes. 90% of students don't know how to prepare the notes. What happens? They will make the wrong notes, and while exams are coming up, they know that the notes are not in proper way, and they will make again, and their time will be waste. Time waste. So this format, which one I am telling you today, if you apply on your daily life, so your life will be changed, and you no need to give extra time for it. Some time in a day, 1 hour is required for everyone to study the notes. So let's start it. So what is first of all? Change your mentality about notes. First of all, for starting the notes, you have to change your mentality. Notes making. So what is your mentality now onwards? What are the notes when you go into school? What the school people or teachers say to you? You have to write the big answers. So what do you think that you have to prepare the big notes? So you can write the long answers, but that is the wrong way. The answer should be written long. Why the answer should be written long? Because what happens? Some questions are there, and they are given for 2 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks. Else, so if a question is given 1 or 2 marks, then you have to write it within 2 lines, 2 to 3 lines. If the question given of 4 marks, you have to write 6 to 7 lines, and above 5 marks, you have to write at least 8 to 15 lines. So this is the matter. Why a teacher say to write the long answers? Because long answers accept to the examiner, and this gives you the 100%. This is the main thing why we should write the long answers, and you have to change your mentality that you have to write long notes, then you will get the answer of long answers. So this is the main thing which you have to change today. So now what is next? Which note we should prepare? Every student or everyone have a question. Which note should be prepared? Long notes or short notes? So I prefer long notes and short notes both according to your day-to-day life. Long notes should be prepared in school because there is a need of long notes in your school. If your teacher asks, your school notebook should be prepared of long notes, but your own study notebook should be prepared of short notes. So what is this format? So I will tell you now. So let's start. Preparation of method of notes. So first of all, you have to understand the concept. If you go to any creator of YouTube, first thing he or she will say that understand the concept, and this is the main thing your school teachers all say to you, that understand the concept first. So understand the concept. How to understand the concept? If you are preparing for JEE, NEET and other examinations, and if you are in state board, you should prepare a coaching classes, or you should prepare a YouTube classes. Now we are also providing you the lectures of every chapters which are given or used in CBSE boards and NCERT boards. So you can take help of our channel for understanding the concept. We are clearing all the concept. We are taking the practices. There will be 3 lectures of every chapters, in which first lecture should cover 30%, second lecture 30%, and last 40% question will be covered in the third lecture. We are giving the many lectures of science. So let it be. Now what is third one? Short notes. I will prepare a short note and long notes. Long notes making method should be used in your school notebook. Right? You should write the notes as you want long, But as your mind in the school notebooks, what will happen? Your notebooks also will complete and your knowledge also will increase. And while making the short notes, what happened? You will be revise this one time, and while exam giving, you should read the short notes. This is the second time of your revision, and the two-time revision happens using this method. The toppers also use this method normally. So now next one, how to manage yourself. This is the main thing which you move towards today. What happens? Some students are there, they move toward the distraction and everything. But how to manage yourself? See, study is the important up to 10th class, 11th class, you should increase the time. Now if you increase the time, that your next time will be increased up and you will get the ability to learn many hours. Now if you are in 5th to 9th, your ability of learning should be 3 hours per day. If you are 11th class, 5 to 6 hours per day, because there is a much conceptual knowledge which you don't know. And now how to manage yourself? Normally, if we move towards the schools, what happens today? The schools give you much work to do at home and you have to prepare. So what happens? If you are preparing your homework or assignment for the next day, so you should do that. If the question is given, understand the concept, make the long notes notebook separate and short notebook separate. The long notes should be long notes notebook is of the school, and short notebook is your personal notebook which you use to prepare the exams, which you use to prepare for the examination. So this is the main thing which you have to do, and managing yourself will be learned next. Now there is a one method to prepare a note, that is the triangle method. Many people use this method. So now I will tell you what is there in this method. So first of all, what is triangle method? So here is a point 1, point 2 and point 3 you can watch. These 2 points are bases. These are basis of your study, and this is the final examination point, exam point. So these points, left side point indicate that prepare long and short note, and these points say revise. Revise at weekend. So this is the main thing. This is a triangle method. So in this first point here, you have to prepare long notes, short notes, and in second point you have to revise it, and in third point there is your exam which you prepared. You have to prepare by your own self the exam before you are learning, and after the learning you have to solve by your own on the weekends. So now, what is the weekend method? I use the word weekend. What is weekend? Weekend means simple a Sunday. Sunday is the most important for your study, your preparation and everything, because one Sunday can prepare your 6th chapter easily. Why did you know? Because Sunday. Now let's see once. Wait a minute. Wait 2 minutes please. So in this manner you have to do the things. So now see, on Sunday what you have to do. There are seven days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So these 4 days you have to do practice and understand the concept and learn the chapter. Learn the chapter. In this, what you have to do, you have to prepare short notes, long notes, both at one time. So what you have to write in the long notes, here I have an example of a long notes which I have prepared. I am using to study that. So you can watch here. These are the long notes. Means here, what is here? Charge is written. Electricity, current, electricity. So all the total things of charge is written here. And here, potential difference, full things are written here. And here, current, electricity, full written here. So these are the long notes. But if the long notes are prepared 7 to 8 pages, so you have to prepare the short notes within the 2 pages by using the dividing paper and cutting method. So that we will learn next. So here these things you have to do. Find out the questions, and in this find out question, find the IMP question, important question. You have to find out the important question. What you have to do the Saturday, make a bunch of question set. And after making the question set bunch, you have to revise on the Saturday full day. You have to revise on the Saturday full day because your school and tuitions are having half days on that day. But on Sunday, what you have to do, you have to solve that questions and check yourself that how much you got the 100 out of. No cheating you have to do, nothing you have to do. You have to just simply solve all that because it will check your manner of study and your all the things. So this is the weekend method. So according to that you have to walk. So now next what we will see, cut divide method, blind read method. So first of all we will see what is blind read method. Blind read. So what is blind read method, So if I have taken chapter electricity, take a barcode, write all chapters name on each page and start writing only topics like electricity topic, MCB, current, charge, potential difference, series combination. In short, I am writing parallel combination, again Ohm's law. Like this, you have to write the all topics, learn the all topics by writing the long notes, short notes, and normally take the page aside. And only where the topics are written you watch it. And if the first topic is MCB, so close your eyes, don't watch the notes, close your eyes and say MCB means miniature circuit breaker. In this way you have to write all this. In this way you have to learn, you have to read 4 to 5 times and the whole chapter understand up to 100%. This is the main thing of blind read method. Now what is your written current? So close your eyes and say that current is a flow of charge from higher potential to lower potential, positive to negative. In this way learn these things. Now blind method over. Now with this, what is this? If you watch your MCB, current, charge, PD, SCCC, Ohm's law is written here. So here you have to make the cuts of A4 size page, and you have to mention cuts of A4 size page. And here you have to write all things about MCB in smart writing. Here charge, here Ohm's law, here potential difference, here resistivity, here series combination, parallel combination, resistor, ammeter, sorry, voltmeter, again derivations, again Coulomb, what is SI units, and all things you have to write in a short page. This is a method of preparing short notes. I will show you one day how I prepare short notes. Today I did not got, I only got the long notes, and you watch that what are the long notes I used to make the electricity chapter. So as this way, as this method, you can move forward in your life, and using this is very important for you for writing this. So this is the main thing. Now understand all the concepts what we done. First one, how to prepare notes, change your mindset about notes, how to prepare notes over. Again, how notes should be, long or short. Now see, schools gives you the notes writing, you have to prepare that and make a separate notebook. Now if you are preparing for my channel, from my channel, then you have to use separate notebook to prepare. You have to use separate